All right, good morning. Let me put this in the chat. I thought I was, and then I did something else. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday. I don't know what's going on with me. I keep waking up and thinking it's like Friday. It's nowhere near Friday. And I'm fine with it not being Friday, so I don't really know why my body is thinking that. So, I'm going to get on TikTok in a little bit. It is the last day of January 2023. Good morning. Please give a thumbs up as you come in if you don't mind. Super helpful. So the chop zone's pretty big today. We had a nice drop yesterday. We caught this in the student channel. We were talking about it. It ran into a bunch of things that we have actively going, oh, you know what I need to do? I need to do my pivots. Let me add these because then I won't know. Pretty close anyway. Actually, wrong. Wrong. Not close. Oh, look, we already got down there. That's what I'm saying. These are life. I have a level right in this area too, so that will be interesting. Alright. Chop zone's pretty big. We're in the middle of it, so nothing to do here. Let me pull this over. If we move up and out, target above is 12,175. I have a level at 12,179. And then it already hit the bottom target. It was 11,882. Oh, somebody's mad. Let me shut this door so it's warmer and not so loud. All right, it's 9:15. I'm going to give it like, oh, shoot. I hate when I run into my box thing on the floor with my chair. I'm going to, I'm going to get on TikTok in about 10 minutes. So let's talk about what we have going on today and what happened yesterday. So NQ yesterday was 1 for 1. Or was it 2 for 2? Oh, was it 2 for 2? I didn't have the shorts on. Oops. Well, I did that wrong. I saw the last one. I didn't see the first one. So NQ was 2 for 2 yesterday. Oil was... Oh, where are we? Oh, I turned it off because we didn't have oil on last night. Oil yesterday was 2 for 2. And then ES was 2 for 2. It had a break even and then it had a full win. I was just kind of out of it because I had shorts off for some reason. I need to change this. 350? That's what that is, right? Yeah. And I had 2205. And I had freaking Santa on simulation. RTY was 1 for 1 yesterday. It took a while. Like it pulled back up to this area, but then it finally hit target. YM was the only loss yesterday. So YM did have a loss yesterday. And you can see, look at that. It hit it. The stop loss was at 54. It went to like maybe 64 and then it freaking dropped. So that is why I have the settings the way that I do, people. Well, not saying for YM, but these other settings, because we want to catch the move. We don't want to be stopped out before the move happens. All right. Let me just check something here. Yeah, pretty close. All right, we just pulled back to the LIS. Again, the chop zone is given to my students each and every morning by 6 or 7 a.m. and as well as the LIS, which is this yellow line, yellow dashed line. Oh, so yesterday was the first day with my funded Apex account, and I made $900. So what the plan is with the Apex account is to get a cushion set up, like a nice buffer, and then just let the algo do its thing. So, you know, even if I only make like 200 to 500 a day, just kind of slowly building it, but if I can make, you know, 700 to 1,000 a day, then that would be more ideal, obviously, just so I can build that, just so I can build that cushion a little faster, and then I will be able to be 100% hands-free with it after that, because knowing, you know, if I run like these 4 or 5 products, what's the stop loss? If they all have a horrible day, what does that look like, kind of thing. So today live, I have NQ range, ES range, RTY range, and then YM range. So I have those 4, and then I have Santa live off to the right. So we'll be looking at that. I have a new picture. Look at this picture that Jen made me. Oh, Santa, you're so cute. Because it matches my other backgrounds. All right. Santa. And then I have the stocks up again today. I have to see. I don't know. I had one of them on simulation yesterday and it should have traded, but it didn't. I don't know if it was because it was on simulation or for some other weird reason. So I'm going to see what happens today. We'll see. Today's also the last day. Yay, Kyle. Go slow. Yeah, I had somebody message me yesterday in the group. He passed $25,000 one yesterday, so he's excited. He's going to be live today. So anyway, so I had Santa as a no Monday thing, but then it kind of smacked me in the face. Well, also, if you think about it, we've had a lot of Monday holidays the past month. New Year's Day, Christmas Day, and then, what was this last holiday? I don't know. Oh, Martin Luther King, and then we got President's Day coming up. So I guess the data I was looking at for Mondays on Santa just wasn't as accurate, just because we have had so many holidays. So therefore, it's a no. I wonder if okay, it doesn't matter. Sorry, I was looking at something that one of my buddies told me about. All right, it's 9:22. Let me get on. Yeah, oil was 2 for 2 overnight. $600. That's another thing. One of my buddies took it last night because he was like, well, oil's been doing well the past 4 weeks, like on Tuesdays. So he's like, I'm going to take a chance. And he made $600. So good for David. And this is what it's about too, is being more active. Like, if you want to 100% be super inactive and just turn on the algos, will you make money? Most likely, yes. Will it be like, you know, the numbers that I showed you for 2022? Yes, because that's 100% hands-free. So if you were to not engage in chat, not turn things off ever, even like on holidays when you should, then you would have done as well as those, you know, reports for 2022, which was 84% on ES, around like $28,000, and then $30,000 on NQ, which is 95.5%. So that's great, right? But if you're at your computer and you enjoy trading and you enjoy being a little more analytical and maybe a little more social in the group, you probably could have done even better, because you could have looked at the data and been like David did, and he's like, you know what, I'm going to take a chance with oil, and he did, and he made money. Or people like yesterday when I said I'm not doing Santa on Mondays, and they were like, you know what, I'm going to still do Santa, and they made $2,000 yesterday. So I was definitely shooting myself in the foot for that one. I don't know why I'm yawning. I think I slept fine. All right. Why didn't I take another? Because it's late? Oh, I guess so. I'll take that off of there. I'm testing something at night for the ranges. One second, I have to send a message. All right. Just as a reminder, you keep track of the percentage of the signals. No, I could probably pull it up on the TradeEvade account. But again, the signals are only given, like the alerts or the signals are only given to students. But I think I know who's asking this. But no, I don't keep track of that number as much. It's too much when, like my main focus is the algorithm and teaching for sure. So the alerts are just kind of like an added bonus. And then because the people that are using the alerts are my students, and I really want them to utilize. Sorry. So I want you guys to utilize them, but I really want you to also just trade based off of what I taught you. So, but yeah. All right, let's go live on TikTok. It's almost 9:30. So yeah, so they're there for you. Use them as you wish. But I think most of my students kind of create their own trades. So they're there from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thank you, Bess. I know I'm too busy chatting. Will somebody go on TikTok and then share it in the group, please? Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, it's Tuesday, January 31st. You guys, it's the last day of the month, so we have to remember that because this is something that I've always noticed while being a trader in the futures market is they typically try to run the market up in the afternoon. Now, does that mean anything for this first 90 minutes that we're going to be together? No, it doesn't. I have to leave the house at 11:30 today. And then I have a student session at 3. So I'm going to be pretty busy this afternoon. I won't be able to catch the run up with you. But if it happens, just remember that you heard it here first. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. If you're on TikTok, welcome. If you're new here, again, I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30, showing you the futures market and my auto trading algorithm. The market just opened. We gapped down on AMD. My main focus is futures. I do not trade crypto. I do not trade forex. But yeah, I have my Algo setups off to the side here, so I'm going to show you guys these in a second. Hey, Top Gun. Yesterday we made about $2,200. Santa was $2,000. NQ range was 2 for 2 yesterday for $350. Oil was 2 for 2 yesterday for $600. Oil was 2 for 2 today also for $600. ES was 2 for 2 yesterday for $500. RTY was 1 for 1 for $350. And then YM was the only loss yesterday, which was a $500 loss. Southern Trucker, so oil is 2 for 2 so far for $600, and that's it. Also, Pink was a loser yesterday. Again, Pink has to be manually managed at this point. We talk about it a lot in the group. Sorry, I promise I'm not going to type as much as I did yesterday. All right, is the market open? Yeah, it's 9:31. We don't have any trades yet. Don't worry, you'll hear it'll be nice and strong. So we're in the middle of the chop zone. This gray box is the chop zone. Do you feel like it's worth trading with Apex? Yeah, I have a live Apex account. I got funded with, I had 5, and I passed the evaluation with 2. So I'm live with 2 accounts, $50,000 accounts. As long as you go slow and take your time, you can easily build a buffer. Like, you can easily pass. And then once you pass, you just got to build a buffer. I think too many people just go to balls to the wall and they trade like 10 minis at a time. We are getting a nice bounce off of the LIS here. So this gray box is the chop zone. It's a proprietary zone that I give my members every morning by 6 or 7 a.m. I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. I give it to all of my students. So if you're not a student, you don't get the LIS or the chop zone, but you obviously can see it on my live stream, so it's not a big deal. But my students get it by 6 or 7 a.m., and then they utilize it to take trades when it leaves. So we're in the middle of the chop zone, not looking to trade here, but this is the LIS here at 11,985, and we're getting a nice bounce off of that. I'm new to watching you and learning. Nice. Thanks. Yeah, I type 80 words per minute, something like that. I don't know who you are in the group. JISIS. But you can just put that in the chat in the group because we were talking about that there. I mentioned it last night. So I would tag you in the group chat, but I don't know what your username is. Hi, good morning. Tried Briggs. Yeah, nice bounce here off of that 85 level. Santa, oh my gosh, you guys, I have a new picture for Santa. You have to look at this. Look at my new Santa picture. Jen made this for me and I love it. AMD is trying to bounce up now, so it had a wick down. So again, with that, ooh, we might get a backwards. Very bullish. Yep, we're talking about that, but the actual, look at that. Again, it's the last day of the month. Typically, they're going to try to run it up. They don't necessarily always do that at the open. But I typically always see it in the afternoon, so we'll have to see. We will have to see. Hey, good morning, George. Good morning, good morning. It's so ridiculous, I know, right? But I love it, Jen, because you made it for me. It's so cute. And you can really see Santa front and center. All right, so no trades yet. No trades yet. Oh, you know why? I didn't freaking turn fast on. Damn it, I was supposed to do that. Well, I can do it now because I still have a minute. Whatever. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast. Apply, okay. Turn it on. That was the one thing I was supposed to do, and then clearly I got distracted. Yeah, someone said that one time, but most people actually really mind it, Southern Trucker. So you are definitely the exception because a lot of people are like, why are you typing so loud? All right, it's 9:35. I turned fast on, so now we'll get a little more action. But Santa hasn't taken any trades yet.
Order filled.
There we go. That's probably fast. Oh no, I'm in, it finally worked. I'm in a long of AMD with 1,000 shares. I'll show you guys. Good morning. I need to change the value to 100. Hold on, let me do that really quickly. Instead of having the value at 1, so when I want to put like a sell limit, then it's not going to be 1 contract, it's going to be 100. So if I did,
Order
so my
submitted.
entry is 73.20. I'd like to get like 50 cents, $1.
Order submitted.
But I also don't like to get greedy. Like, where was it before? So it like came all the way up here yesterday.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So I like to place my sells ahead of time instead of just waiting for it to get there because, especially with shares, it can move really fast and then pull back really fast.
Order submitted.
All right, let me turn the volume down on this. See if we're in any other trades.
Order submitted.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so let's see if we can push up here. My first target is 73.41 and then 73.60, 80, and then like 74. Good morning, good morning. Oh, fast is in a trade, and I'm going to put that more like front and center just because we'll keep an eye on AMD, but it doesn't really it's not like the main focus, because you guys know my main focus is futures. Nope. Well, yeah, this is fast. Fast is always in sim, yes. This is not. This is live on my TD Ameritrade account. Everything is live except for fast, because even my Santa is live today. Yesterday, I wish I was live Santa because it was green $2,000. For 2 hours, it made $2,000. All right, so fast is in this short green $140. Green $70 on this. All right, we're green 110 on this AMD. I'll go back here since there's not another trade going on. 200. All right, $200. So it took 100 shares off there. Again, I have 1,000 shares. So we'll see if we can get some more, a bigger push here. So I'm trading AMD, but then I'm also trading a whole bunch of futures. That is my main focus. The NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, the S&P 500, oil, silver, copper, gold, a whole bunch of stuff. No, there's no stop on AMD. I know the stop in my head. When you start trading futures, you know how important a stop loss is, but when it comes to stocks, it's not that serious. Like, it's not that scary. Now, would I ever not have a stop on like the NASDAQ? Never. Would I ever not have a stop on... So we're coming back to the LIS. Let's see if it can bounce again and push back up to this 12,067. Would I ever not have a stop on, say, oil? No, never. But, you know, 1,000 shares, not a big deal.
Order submitted.
Oh, what is this? Is this fast? Fast is green $250. Fast is in a long. Fast is green 255 so far. It's been since, well, I didn't turn it on until like 9:40, 9:35. So it's only taken about 3 trades, but it's green 255, and then it's in this long for 350. And we're green again on AMD. So we'll see. Maybe I'll move this one down and put another one here.
Order submitted.
I don't want to lose focus of it. It's been so long since I day traded stocks. So 800 shares left, up like $200 there. Well, if you want more information on the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Where am I at? Fast. There we go. Whoa. Fast is green, $500. I'm sad Santa's not in this because I have Santa live. So risk management depends on which algorithm you're using. When I'm trading stocks like this, I have like a point. This is live. What do you mean? Do you ever trade your bot live? This is live. I'm live right now. What are you talking about? It's 9:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm on the East Coast. This is all live. What? Y'all, we are green $800 on this long of fast. Did I hit another target here? Yep, I hit another target on AMD because now I'm down to 700 shares.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Pulling back. All right, Fast took profit. Fast is green $825 on the morning, and it's been like 7 minutes. 7 whole minutes. 2, 4, 5, 6.
Submitted.
I'm just going to put them all here now,
Order submitted.
just so I know that I have them all placed. I mean the fast or whatever you're calling it. Yeah, no, fast has been tested, and it's in simulation. There's no reason we need to run fast live. We have other things that do much better than fast. And this is live in real time. It's just not on my live account. But it's best for entertainment because it moves, again, so fast. But it's not the best product we have. We have so many other setups that are so much better. All right, AMD here pushing back up. Let's see if we can tag this 48.
Order.
All right, so I got filled on 48. And again, this is NinjaTrader. I'm using TD Ameritrade to connect my brokerage stock account, but I mostly trade futures. So yeah, Fast is green $825 today. You want to know what Fast did yesterday? It was red $2,000 yesterday. And Santa was green $2,000 yesterday. And Santa has made like $20,000 the last 8 weeks. So we have better products.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Fast is in a short. I'm down to 600 shares. It's funny. I used to trade Carvana. I used to love that. Fast is green, $400 on this short. Oh, whoa, you guys, Santa's in the short too. And I'm live on Santa, so there you go, person. Guaranteed green, we're in this short $315, $335, $460. And I have to be careful with this because I am using this on my funded Apex account. So I don't want to have too big of a unrealized drawdown. That was $500. So I manually moved it because, again, I am using this on my Apex funded account. And so, yeah. I'm going to move a few more of these down because I don't feel like seeing the market turn around here.
Order filled.
Very nice catch from Santa. I'm not sure if it's still in it. Again, I got out of it. But it was Fast, and Fast was in that too. So Fast caught the short. Fast is green, $1,405, and now it's in this long. I have 300 shares left of AMD. I got to be more patient with these up here. Oh, clearly that shouldn't have been there. It says it was already filled. What do I have left? No, it definitely still says I have 300 shares left. Ugh, I don't feel like pulling out my TD Ameritrade account. I could just close this. I don't know if that one was just in the way. I don't know. I might just have to close
Order
this.
canceled.
I just wanted to close the hole because I didn't. If not, I'm going to have to pull up my TD Ameritrade. See, this one is like frozen. I don't know why. All right, well, whatever. I made like $200 on AMD. It does not work for MetaTrader 4. No, it has to be NinjaTrader. So Fast is really showing off today. Also, oh, I have why I'm in that. So I made $315. See, but it went like 500. Oh no. What? Oh, I'm so mad at myself. I didn't put it on my live account. All right, I gotta, oh my God, now I gotta fix this. I did not put Santa on my live account. Santa's in another short here. Oh no, it's not. I'm sorry. That's my other one that I'm testing. You guys. Oh, this is why it gets overwhelming if you have too many strategies. And I tell people, don't do too many things. We're green 1700 on Fast though. Fast is really showing off today. All right, now I got to reload Santa because I freaking did not have it on my live Apex account for that $600 short. I would have only gotten like 300, but still, it's something. Did I move too quickly on moving my shares? I think so. Because look at that. $16.95 on short. All right, sorry. All right, I have Santa back up now on my actual live account. Nice, Amber. I love to hear it. Is it possible to make money with Apex? Yeah, absolutely. I have a bunch of people in my group that use Apex. They're doing a 50% off sale now through the end of February. Santa's over here. Santa and his bananas. Do you see him? Yeah, I type really fast. Some people don't like it. Some people do like it. It's kind of a hit or miss, and I can't help it because sometimes I have to respond to people. If you appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up in TikTok or YouTube, or tap the screen in TikTok to send some hearts. Yes, you can copy trade again across multiple accounts. Kevin, I don't even want to hear it. It's been like a year. Let's go. So yes, you can use the trade copier. Look at this push. You guys, we came back to the LIS like 4 times. Where are my students? Because if y'all didn't catch these bounces, I'm going to be a mad mama. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually going to be mad. But I have high expectations for my students. That is the truth. Yeah, that's definitely just like floating out there. I'll just have to check it when I get off of here. I don't trade forex. No, I don't want soft keys. I bought these hard keys on purpose because I like the clickiness. But again, I understand not everybody likes it. It's not everyone's thing. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithm on futures, then you can email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. Fast is green, $1,695 in 10 minutes. Let me show you the real-time results for today. It's 100%, you guys. This never happens with Fast. 100%. $1,695, because Fast is exactly what it's nicknamed as. It's fast. It moves really quickly. It takes a lot of fake outs, so it's never 100%, but today it is. Oh, also, Santa is back in the short, so now I'm actually live on this one. So let's see if we can get that $600 move again on Santa Banana. I have to make sure you guys can see this without... There we go. My auto trading algorithm. So I don't sell it, I lease it. If you want more information, you can just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Or you can just come see me live every day and hang out and watch me use it. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30, showing you the futures market. I trade the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, gold, oil, the Dow, the Russell, copper, natural gas. There we go. Guaranteed green on this trade. Do you see how that moved on its own? I'm just sitting here watching it. But again, I do have to be a little careful only because this is on my live funded Apex account. So I don't want there to be too much unrealized gain and then a huge pullback, if that makes sense. So I took, how much was that? I took $200 there on that trade, because if it goes green 300 and then it pulls back to 75, and it could, like now, watch, it's probably going to drop much more here, and then I missed out on that. But it's not a big deal. The point now with this live funded Apex account of $50,000 is to just go slow. I'm not in a rush. And if I go slow enough and I build a big enough cushion, I can then run my algorithms without having to touch them, because it won't ever have a big enough unrealized gain or trail to affect me. So that's the plan with this. Yay, Kyle. How many trades do limit bot? I don't really know what that means, Frank. There's multiple. So I'm only showing you one bot right now, which is Scalper. But yesterday, if we talk about my most successful algorithm, that is range. And yesterday that was, let me show you. So this is what range looks like. It has blue boxes. NQ was 2 for 2 yesterday. CL was 2 for 2 yesterday, and CL was also 2 for 2 today. ES was 2 for 2 yesterday. RTY was 1 for 1 yesterday. It took a while, but it came through. And then YM was the only loss yesterday. YM had a pullback, and it got tagged at the stop loss, and then it finally went down. You have no more trail past 52. Right. Oh, right. So there's no trail past like essentially 53,000, but I still just want to make sure I have enough cushion for the trades I'm taking. So if I'm taking NQ range and ES range and CL range, you know, I want to make sure I just have enough room, and that's kind of where I'm at with that. If that makes sense. I'm just going to What the hell just happened to fast? Oh, get the hell out of here. I swear.
Order canceled.
I swear to God.
Order
I'm doing too
failed.
many things that are messing with my stuff today. YM is still in this short. Wow, I don't know why people are so obsessed with gold. Like, so obsessed with gold. And they're not bots. Like, there's not bots for one product. I have a bot, and then I calculate a strategy for different products on that bot. Does that make sense? Also, I don't think I ever loaded 3-minute. Load. No, there's no hold on the funds. Funds are always cash immediately. That's one really great thing about futures. There's so many great things about futures. Let's see. Oh, did I have a... Oh, Santa had a short, which was then a loss there, which is fine. Let's see if we get this long. The market is open 24 hours a day. You can trade with as little as like $400. I don't know what that means.
Order submitted.
No, Kyle, that's a conversation for the Apex thread, and I can't answer it right now. I'm like, too much going on. We're in a short on Santa again. I think pink is also in a short. Or is it just mirroring? That's just mirroring. There's a lot going on today. So we had an AMD trade, so then that's working. I don't have to worry about that. If you have questions, please put them in the chat. If you appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up or tap on the screen if you're on TikTok and send some likes. I am just kind of focused on scalper today. There we go. So we're guaranteed green on this with Santa just because it's on my funded Apex account. So Kyle, you still get the trail drawdown until you get up to whatever, 53,000 or whatever. And then it's gone. So there's no more trail, but then your max loss is 50,100 essentially. So you just have to be careful at all times. And that's why I kind of messaged you earlier and just said, go slow, lock up some small wins each day and build that buffer because, there are going to be harder days. There's going to be days where things are harder and you want to have that buffer for those days. All right, I'm kind of getting closer to Santa here. See how I'm moving my stop loss? Only because I want to make sure I don't have too much of a unrealized move. I'm only green $200 today because it had a win and then it had a loss for $200. And now it's dropping even more just like the last time. So, it is what it is. Again, I just want to build that cushion. I made $900 yesterday. And today I'm up 200. Are you able to upload a replay of your bot trading for 90 days? Absolutely not. But you know what you can do for the past 90 days? You can go watch all of my YouTube streams trading futures now. I'm not really sure why you would care about my trading of futures. Y'all, look at this. I freaking got too close. I got too close. So this is where Scalper has its really awesome moves, and I missed it, but it is what it is. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. Topkin said I'm hands-free driving. Well, you should be hands-free. No, there's no 35% capital gains tax in futures. It is actually a 60-40 split, so that's another reason why I love futures. I can't believe I got out of this so early, y'all. Would I make like $200 and now it's another $500 in the green? So this short is now like $700. Fast is not in it because Fast is on a break. Y'all, right back down to the LIS. If you want more information on the algo, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yep, David, I'm aware that oil is 2 for 2 today for $600.
Order submitted.
I actually like the dark. What are we in? Santa? Santa's in a long? I'm not sure I love this, but we'll see what happens. Got a lot of choppiness today, and I think that's why Fast was doing so well. A lot of just like up and down and up and down. Oh, this is going to get stopped.
Order submitted.
All right, that stopped. Now we're back in the short for Santa. See if we can go back down to the LIS of 84. I swear I'm going to try to give it some room. Sell everything, someone said. Okay. Oh, look how close that got. Did you see that? There it goes. Come on. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Now, let's see if we can actually get through. So this is a guaranteed green trade on Santa. Let's see if we can get through this LIS. It's bounced on the LIS several times. Again, I don't want a positive 300 to then a positive 75. That's not going to be good for my funded Apex account. So I have to be a little more careful than other people. Like if you're just using a cash account, then it doesn't matter. Oh, that's moving too fast because you see how that missed that? It would have caught it on the trail stop, but I think that might also be when it comes into play when there are issues with using NinjaTrader versus using Algorithmic. Yes, please do, Terry.
Order submitted.
All right, Santa's in a long. Nope, I don't trade Bitcoin at all. If anybody follows you or DMs you about something regarding Bitcoin, it's not me, and they're trying to impersonate me. So please block them and report them because I hate crypto and I will never talk about it. Santa's trying to take this long, but I might get stopped. Well, let's see. Let's see, let's see.
Order filled.
All right, got stopped there. Again, the Santa stops are not a big deal. They're $200. No, I like how bright it is. So we are still bouncing off of the LIS. Y'all, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 20-minute candles. These are 20-minute candles. So Santa's right around, well, I don't know what it is for everyone else, but for me, it's right around flat for the day. Hi, Darren. Oh, Ricky, that's so sad. I'm sorry to hear that. All right. Fast is still on a break. It will be back soon. I promise. Fast is actually... See, because when we're sideways like this, Fast does really well in those markets. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Like, I am overwhelmingly busy with this group. Someone's like, come check out my stream. Like, yeah, I ain't got time for that, bro. I'm sorry.
Order submitted.
Oh, Fast is in a trade. Y'all, Fast is in a long. It's going to be hard now. Range, oil on range is 2 for 2 today for $600. Fast is green, $17.25, and then whatever happens in this trade. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every day on TikTok and YouTube from 9:15 to 10:30. I can stay on a little later today if it warrants it. If you guys have more questions and you want to see more action, I can definitely stay on with you. This is NinjaTrader. So I'm trading a whole bunch of stuff. I'm trading the futures market, but I'm trading the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, gold, oil, the Dow, the Russell, copper, natural gas. Like, we have strategies for pretty much everything. One of my members is trading 6E today, which is like a currency or something. I know nothing about currencies. Y'all, you see how it tagged this? It ran. We are getting so many strong bounces off of the LIS today. So again, this is the chop zone. It's pretty big. This is given to my members every single day. This is the LIS, this yellow dotted line. And that is also given to my members every morning. Well, my students every morning. So if you're a student of mine, you get access to that every day. Fast is in a short.
Order canceled.
So Kumar, Fast is not a person, it's a strategy. I like to give my strategies nicknames because, I don't know, it makes it easier for my members to remember them and be like, oh. So if you want to join, just email me. I don't talk about time frames on here. Obviously, this one literally says 20 minute. This is just my higher time frame chart that I just glance at. I'm not running any algorithms on that. Good morning. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Carter, are you able to type my email in the chat? Does it allow you to do that? Maybe in all capital letters, because I don't want people thinking the LLC is an I or something. We're not in any trades right now. Also, I caught a stock trade with AMD earlier, and I made a few hundred off of that. I'm gonna have to check it later. I'm not loving how the TD Ameritrade was being used as a sim, and then it wasn't showing the and then when I disconnected it, it like took away the other ones. Nope. So being a student is not part of the algorithm at all. If you want to be a student of mine, that means that you want to learn how to technically read the charts and how to trade on your own, manually trading. But I do have several people that will take the mentorship, learn how to trade, and then use the algorithm and apply what they have learned to the algorithm and some of the trades the algorithm is taking. If that makes sense.
Order submitted.
Oh, Fast is in another trade. Fast is in a short. Fast is really on it today. Really, really. Look at that.
Order submitted.
Yep, you're a student if you purchase the digital mentorship or the one-on-one coaching. That is how you are a student. And then you get access to the Chop Zone and the LIS every day, as well as manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. But this is what I'm showing you. This is the auto trading algorithm. Y'all, Fast is catching these moves. Ooh, Santa's in a trade too for $400.
Order canceled.
Y'all know I gotta be on
Order
that.
submitted.
I want this drop under the LIS. Like, OMG. Will it come? Drop. And then we gotta break this level. We gotta break 78. If we want a bigger drop, we need to break 11,978. 11,978. Break it. Break it.
Order canceled.
Break it. Fast is green, 2140 on the day.
Order submitted. Order.
Oh my god, y'all, this LIS is so strong today. It doesn't want us to get through.
Order submitted.
I don't use indicators, really, honestly. Now we're in a long, $300 long on Fast. Santa's in the long as well. Not sure I love this here. It's just like, what's happening? Fast is doing a much better job today because we're, no joke, ranging between like 40 points. And it's just bouncing. It's just going up and down and up and down. All of these longs have been losers since later this morning. So I'm actually going to move this a little tighter. Santa's not red, but it's also not green like I want it to be. Let's see if we can push up to 200 here. We got to get over this 12,010. Yeah, see, no. I don't like it. I don't really like the long right now. On Fast, it's working. Yeah, you got to catch it. Well, there it goes. Guaranteed green on this trade. You got to catch it off of that LIS. That's the spot. Because, look, I'm losing, what, 15 points? All right, there we go. 300 on this long. I'm trying not to get too close, but I also don't want to have too big of an unrealized gain. I'm using my live Apex account. Apex is doing a 50% off sale right now until the end of February. I think the coupon is code SAVE50. The code SAVE50. Yeah, I'm really close. All right, well, I'm back to being green, $300 on the Apex account. So, yep, so I'm not going to discuss my strategy. That's just, there's just no way I'm going to do that. We're still in this Fast long, green $600. Y'all, Fast is green $2,700. But this is the hardest part about figuring out when Fast works. $2,700 plus this. Well, no, it was 2021 and then plus this. The thing is, Fast only works good on days like this when it's choppy within like a 30 or 40 point range. That's why I never put it live. No, number one, there's no Discord and there's nothing for free. Can I join the Discord for a trial? Yes, it's $500. That's the trial. And it's not Discord, it's Slack. So it's $500 for 3 weeks. You get to use Slack and the algorithm for $500. If you want access to my alerts and my Chop Zone and my LIS, which has been freaking fire today, all you had to do was take the long off the LIS freaking 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So that is included in my mentorship. I think Fast is still in this long. I wonder if Santa's still in this long because you know I got out. $720 on this Fast. Or if you take the mentorship, you get access to Slack for 1 month for free. So you get access to the Chop Zone, to the manual alerts, to the LIS, included in your mentorship purchase for 1 month. If you want more information on either the mentorship or the auto trading algorithm, which is green currently $3,000 since 9:40 a.m., then you can email me, boldbotllc. Oh, Santa's green 800 on this long, so clearly I was way too close. The LIS is a line in the sand. You're not going to find it anywhere. It's a proprietary level that I was taught by my mentor, and it's nowhere on the internet. So even if you Google it, you're not going to find it. It's a very strong level, and it's different every day. So nothing's guaranteed, but range was 95.5% in 2022 for the NQ. For ES, it was 84%, and for oil, it was around 89%. Yeah, there's nothing for free. There's no free trials, but I do give you a discount to try the Algo for 3 weeks. Excuse me. All right, so trading futures, it's 100% automated. I assume you're not listening to me because I literally said I'm moving my stop on Santa because I'm on a live funded account with Apex, which I want to create a buffer for. So that is the reason. This is still in this long for over $800. I have 220 people in my group right now that use the Algo. Excuse me, I don't know what's in my throat. Do you mark the LIS before any trade? No. I mark the LIS by 6 a.m. Yeah, Kumar, you just made $700 off of my live stream. Exactly. So when I ask people to give a thumbs up or to tap the screen, I would expect that you would do that because you're showing love. So still in this long of Santa again. And I feel like I need to say this to you. Everything is 100% hands-free. I do not have to be here right now. I do not have to be live streaming. I do not have to be touching anything. The results are going to be the results regardless. Yes, you can increase your position size or reduce it. So I only take one contract because I want to show you just the basic, what is it with one contract. Fast took a short. I think that was the first loss. Oh, no, there was a loss down here for Fast. Fast is green, $2,715. Oh, it's not going to show the whole thing on here because I turned it off. Since I turned it back on, it's green 1,000, and it's had 3 losses, the biggest one being $130, the biggest win being $705. Let's go back to my solid chart. So we are still in the chop zone. We are still in the chop zone. If you guys give a thumbs up or tap the screen, it's really appreciated. Then other people like you can come on my live stream like Kumar just did and make $700. Oh, or you said you got 700? Yeah, no. To use the algorithm, you need a minimum of at least $3,000. Yep. So again, trading futures, I'm definitely not going to go into that detail with you. Number 1, you're not part of the group. Number 2, you literally already said that you have your own service. So I'm not going to go into all of those details with you. Why do you need at least 3,000? What do you mean? You can have multi-trail stops if you have more than one contract. Yes. Yes, Ben, that would be fine. 4,000 would be fine. I think I have to check with the group. Is Santa still in this, Laura? I don't know because I got out, but Santa is still in this long, you guys. Obviously, I'm not in it, but it's still in this long. So, what was my entry? $9.99 and it's at 35, so that's $750. Kind of basing. Oh, very good, Kumar. Oh, that's what I thought you meant at first, but then I don't drink coffee, persons, so I think you have me confused with someone else. I'm up to $51,060 on my live funded Apex account. I really want to get to like 58,000 before I let things be hands-free. That's my goal. Like, that's my plan. Fast as in a trade. Kumar, great job. So you did make $700 in the trade that I showed on the live stream. Yep, so I'm probably going to stop doing the live streams for free soon. I'm probably only going to do it for my members. Or I could just block you. Bye-bye. The win rate of range is the most conservative and the most successful. What I'm showing you right now is scalper. Range does not trade right now, and that's why I am not in the trade. What am I in? RTY is in a long. So let me show you range. This is range. The blue box is range. Range on NQ is 88% with 2 targets the last 13 months. It's 95.5% with 1 target the last 13 months. ES is 84%. Exactly, I did. Okay, sounds good, Ricky. If you emailed me and you have more questions, I will respond after the live stream. I just can't do it as I'm live. RTY is in a long on range. RTY was 1-for-1 yesterday. We'll see what happens here. This is live. YM had a loss yesterday on range. But, so, oil typically on range is around like 88 to 90%. NQ for the last year is 88%. ES was 84%. Those are the values. Roland, thanks for sharing. All right, so RTY is in this long. I have 2 minis. Yeah, well, you can always go back and watch my old live streams. Again, all of my live streams are recorded on my YouTube. Go follow me on YouTube, BoldBot, 2 words. Because some people are ungrateful, and there are like 70 people, and there's only 30 thumbs up in YouTube. So, while I like doing the live streams and educating more people and letting them see how our algorithms run, I don't love people that are just taking advantage of it. So, yeah. It's something I'm going to have to think about.
Submitted.
I don't see the thumbs up mobile. So if you flip your phone to right side up like it normally would if you're just like on a phone call, then you'll see the information below the box with a thumbs up and the subscribe button and all that. Just subscribe to your YouTube. Thanks for subscribing. Yep, I go live every day on YouTube and on... I go live every day on YouTube and TikTok. Is Fast in another trade? Fast is in a short. RTY is in a long. I'm going to focus on RTY because I have that live on my live account. Cool. If you sent an email, my admin will be sending you an informational email back. If you have further questions, I will most likely be answering them.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nice. Will took Santa for 3 trades and made $1,255. Live. Nice job, Will. That's going to pay for his next snowmobile. Oh, nice. ZB has been in a short. Is it green?
Order filled.
That's not yeah, always Eastern Standard Time. 9:15 to 10:30 Eastern Standard. It's 10:24 now. I'm willing to stay on today until 11. I don't have to leave the house until 11:30 today, so I'm more than willing to stay on longer. If you guys give some thumbs up and if you tap the screen, send some likes in TikTok, I'm more than willing to stay on a bit more with you guys today. Make sure you follow and subscribe so then you can be notified when I go live. Oh, yep, sure thing. Thank you. Nope, that's not correct, Kumar. My 2 bots that I've been showing you are named Range and Scalper. That's it. The nicknames are for strategies. But it doesn't matter if you know the names or not. It's not going to, like, mean anything, even if you go, like, looking for them or something. Like, I feel like people think if they have NinjaTrader, they can go and try to look for my bots. Yeah, they're not going to be anywhere on NinjaTrader. So I'm in this RTY long. Fast took a small profit on that. Fast is green, $23.60, but it was as green as $3,000. Santa just took a small loss there. What time is it? 10:26.
Order submitted.
My RTY, where are we at? Oh my gosh, I feel like I have so many things going. RTY is right about $100. What is this? Oh, is that Fast? Fast is in another trade. There's so many things to keep up with. I have a TradeStation account for futures. Do I need an account on NinjaTrader? Yes. You have to use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is the only option. This is Fast. I'm going to move Santa over here. My focus right now is RTY. It was green, $120. I'm not getting in the way of ranges because RTY is like 95%. So, yay. Laura took her money off of Santa. Nice job. Well, it hit the trail. Very cool. This is NinjaTrader. Jeffrey said he's been watching me for 2 months. Sounds about right. Yep, sounds good. Whatever time it is right now. Like right now it's 10:30 Eastern time. So this is typically when I wrap up. So whatever it is for you in Australia right now, just an hour prior, essentially, when the stock market opens. I usually get on a little sooner, especially Kyle's up $732 on his Apex account. He's trying to get funded. All right, RTY is green again. Target is 1916.5. It's 11:28 p.m. So then 10:30 p.m. is when you should be coming on the TikTok. Or like 10:15. I go live on YouTube sooner than I do on TikTok. But TikTok, I heard, gives... TikTok gives... I'm sorry. It's like faster. Like it's more live. I don't know why. I don't put a delay on YouTube, but it just automatically has like a 15-second delay or a 30-second delay or something like that. So... More likes. Yay. Yay. Oh, look at this. We're green 200 on R2I. This is a new high. Oh, 230. There we go. Come on. We're almost at target. We're at 1915. I need 1916. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Can you guys see this on the YouTubes? I don't think so. Let me pull it down. $300. You guys, we're so close. We're so close. We're 6 ticks away. Go. 5 ticks away. Go. Push. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. Go. Push, 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 push. Push. 1 tick. 1 tick. 1 tick. 1 tick.
Target filled.
Woo! Target filled. Target filled. I just made $350. And I did nothing. I just sat here with you lovely folks and turned on my algorithm because I'm smart. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks and then $1,000 every month after that. Woo, woo, woo. All right, I can put that in the... Yeah, I know. Where's Justin? I need someone running it with no touching. It's not me.
Order submitted. Order
All right.
submitted.
R2. What? Oh, oops. Well, these shouldn't be like that. Sorry. Oopsies. All right, cool. Oh, something else is in a trade. Santa? Santa? Santa's in a short. Santa's in a short. Where's Pete? Santa's in a short.
Order canceled.
Listen, Santa, you're not going to wick out on me. Let's go. Come on, drop, 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 drop. We got to break 50, 12,050, and then we can easily go back to like the 25 area.
Order submitted.
After this Santa trade, I might wrap it up for the day as far as scalper goes, just because, again, I'm using a fully funded Apex account and I want to protect my trail. We got to break 50. Seeing a trade. It's worth... Yeah, no, so, yeah, the bot knows what it's doing. The bot, when it's in a short, the bot was meant to take a short. Like, I don't really understand that question. When it's meant to take a long, it takes a long. It does everything on its own. I'm only moving my stop loss today, this purple line, and probably for like the next week, just to get a more precise buffer on the funded Apex account of $50,000. We got to drop below 50 if we want this short to work out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Drop. 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 Might not happen. Was he? It doesn't look like it's going to happen. I'm going to move my sell loss down. Oh, whoa. Well, that was close. It's probably still going to get tagged here. I'm going to take my $300. Today, Santa is a book of questions. Oh my gosh. Nobody cares about crypto. Bye. Costy, it just depends. You know, it could be like probably like around $100 a day. All right, it's 10:35, but I supposedly there's a whole bunch of emails with questions I need to answer.
Order submitted.
Santa's trying this short again. It's got to break 50, y'all. It's got to break 50. I need Laura. Laura. This is how Santa works, though. It tries and it tries and it tries, and it gets it. Good. RTY and M2K both hit for Brian. Very good. Santa's fucking me up today with this.
Order filled.
Oh, Santa. Oh, Santa. All right. I'm going to get off of here. I need to answer emails. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. All right. Bye. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for joining. I'll see you tomorrow at 9:15. If you want more information, just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. First day running Santa. Pretty exciting.
Order submitted.